This is a mug.
Boring. I'm like a blank piece of paper with commitment issue vibes.
But this little heat-powered machine can fix its personality. The Cricut Mug Press is basically a toaster for mugs, but instead of bread, it cooks your creativity until it's permanent and dishwasher safe. The Cricut Mug Press is a heat press designed to permanently adhere infusible ink or sublimation designs onto your mugs and even some tumblers. There's no complicated buttons on this machine. Just plug it in and press the on button. Once it's heated to temperature, and you'll know it's ready when the power button is solid green, you pop in a blank mug, it heats it, it presses, and boom! You're left with a bright, dishwasher-safe masterpiece that won't peel, flake, or ghost you after a few washes. The Cricut Mug Press is perfect for making gifts for friends and family, or use at a small business, or for making mugs for yourself that scream, "I'm crafty and unstoppable." Now let's talk about the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need infusible ink sheets, or sublimation paper. Infusible ink sheets are pre-printed sublimation paper that you can use with the Cricut Mug Press, and they come in a variety of colors and patterns. Now when you open them up, you're going to see here that the colors are very muted, but don't worry, they're going to pop when heated. With the sublimation sheets, your color scheme and patterns is whatever you want it to be. You print these on a special sublimation printer, a printer that's got sublimation ink in it. And when it prints, you're going to see that the colors are also muted, but don't worry, they also will pop when they're heated. You're also going to need some heat-resistant tape, and you're going to need sublimation mugs. Not any mug from the dollar store or anywhere else is going to work with this. They have to be specially coated with sublimation material. And finally, you're going to need the mug press. Over in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to go under Projects, and I'm going to search for Mug. And there are a whole bunch of different projects here out of the box that you can use to create a mug using the Cricut Mug Press. And I like this butterfly one, so I'm going to go ahead and make this particular one. With infusible ink, you want to make sure you put the color side, the pretty side, facing up on your mat, which is different than when you do iron-on material. This is my infusible ink design cut on my Cricut Maker 4, and then this is my sublimation design printed on my sublimation printer. Grab that heat-resistant tape and secure your designs to the mug very well, making sure there's no gaps. Setting up the Cricut Mug Press is easy, and it is required. If you don't do this setup, the machine won't work. And it's simple. It's just a matter of plugging in the power cord and the USB cable and going into Design Space under Settings and clicking to add a new product setup. It's just a few clicks and you're ready to go. Turn the machine on by pressing the power button on top. It will turn orange, letting you know it's warming up. It's important not to touch that green insert area. This is the heating element and will become extremely hot. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. Simply insert your mug, push the lever down to secure the mug, and the magic starts. It takes about 5 minutes for the process to complete, and you can monitor the progress lights on top. When the time is up, the machine beeps, you lift the lever, and use heat gloves or some other protective covering to remove the mug from the machine. Remove the material from the mug right away if you're wearing heat gloves, otherwise let it cool down first. And look at that, a custom mug that's dishwasher and microwave safe, and because the material is baked into the mug, it will never wear off. If you're looking for a full tutorial on how to create designs for mugs, I've got a couple linked in the description of this video. The Cricut Mug Press is easy to use. The designs are permanently baked into the mug, and they are dishwasher and microwave safe. The only downside is you do have to use sublimation mugs, so special mugs, and the process takes about 6 minutes. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when we post new content. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!